Hello there, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I will teach you how you can create a powerful, high authority DA92 link, and that's going to be in today's video. Let's just jump right into it. So, when you're creating your blogger, this will be a new one so I can show you the differences. Display name. Now, before I jump in, I want to show you the difference between a post link and the link authority of that, and then I will go ahead and show you the powerful link and what the difference is. So let's just jump in here. So we'll go ahead and create our blog. All right, so once you have actually decided your name, which is almost irrelevant, we're here to make a backlink, we'll go ahead and create the blog. Now, again, I want to show you the difference between creating a post and the link equity, and then the link that I'll show you the difference. Okay, so bear with me here. We're going to create a new page really quick. This is just going to be very fast and very brief, just so I can show you the difference. All right, now we'll go ahead and publish this page. All right, so after you have created your page and your post, you could fill this in, you can make this pretty, but this is just a demonstration to show you the difference between the post equity, link equity, and also the backlink equity of the link that I will show you. Bear with me. All right, after you created your page and then your post, this is what it would look like. I'm simply just showing you the link equity. So if you go ahead and take a look up here, it's a PA1 and a DA1. There's no surprise. Obviously, this page is brand new. Now, you can shoot tier 2 links at this to boost it up. However, I want to show you right now how you can create a link that is ultra powerful, like I mentioned, DA90 plus. So what you'll do is let's go ahead. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go over to the profile of your brand new page. We're going to edit the profile. And then this is where the magic happens, and I want to show you the difference. So if you scroll down here, there's a particular part, you could fill all of this information out. It allows you to put in your web page here. Now, you could go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what happens, but where the magic occurs is going to be right here. Now, not interests, but where it says introduction, this is where all of your magical link juice will flow from, guys, okay? So this is where you will want to go ahead and put in some information. I would probably make a citation out of this. For that, this is what you will want to do. You'll want to put a bracket, and then a space, quotes, and then put your link. Now remember, bear with me, this is exactly how you need to do it for it to work, okay guys? All right, and then after that, you have to put another quotes, put a bracket, /a, and then you want to close it up, all right? Then you're going to go down here and save to profile. This field, this form field here, actually accepts HTML. Okay, so I just wanted to go ahead and show you that. That is how it will look. Put in your link address. But I want you to take a look here. So here is our page and our post. Let's go over here to view. This is what we have created. And if you go here, as you can see, you cannot click on this, which means it's completely separate. However, this is a do follow link from the profile page, which, as you can see, is a DA99. But let's just make sure here on the page in the profile, if I visit the profile page, but as you can see in the introduction, you have this site here, when you put in the website, it's actually a no follow link. Now this one here is non-clickable, but it's a do follow link. For this right here, as you can see, I want to go ahead and take you up here. See this link here? This is where you would build your tier 2 links to. You want to build them to this particular link address that's up here. It's a DA99, starts off at a PA57. Where you put the website, as you can see, purple is a no follow, green is a follow, and this is how you create a very powerful profile link from blogger.com. I hope that you have found value in this. If you have, please go ahead, leave me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this, give me a thumbs down. But in any case, I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO digital marketing video. Have a wonderful day.